Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make flowers or tissue paper. First, fold tissue paper in half, and how this is folded, and cut the folded edge. Let's cut. Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a flower out of tissue paper. So you are going to need 6 layers of tissue paper. So you're going to need any color you want to use. So we're gonna need 2 layers of the same color. Like this, 2 layers of the same color. You're gonna lay them on top like this. I keep layering them. You're going to need 2 layers of each color. So after you stack them up like this, fold the edge like this, and then turn it over and fold it back like this. And continue doing it like this. Continue folding till you get all the way to the end like this. So continue folding and folding till you get to the end. So when you get to the end, okay, so tie the middle like this. So let's tie the middle and pull it in like this. Okay, so tie it and then pull up the layers gently like this. Because you don't want to rip it, so you have to pull them up gently. Okay, so let's pull up layers. Just continue. So just continue. Right. Okay, so this is how you make the tissue paper flower. And this is what it will look like. Thanks for watching, everyone.